Okay guys, this is my homemade chicken incubator. I cost 20 styrofoam, and I just one day I just wanted to see if I could hatch some chicken eggs from my backyard. So I looked on YouTube, grillmaster, and I saw budgielover9. Looked on grillmaster, and then I took his idea and made one. Walmart. And then budgielover, you really helped me out, budgielover9, because I could not find a light bulb that would fit. I mean, it was getting too hot in there. As you can see, I have 25 watts right there. I even had a 7.5 watt, and that thing was just, it was not big enough then. And I got some water in the back, and then from the get-go I had that 25 watt, and I figured that if I poke some holes in it, the temperature would go down, but as you can see, that did not work out so good, so I taped over that with duct tape, and it's doing fine. And I just put this light bulb, I just got this light bulb today. It was hard to find a 13 watt light bulb. And like I said, budgielover9, you really helped me on that light bulb. I found him nowhere. And then I finally looked up a 13 watt. And I mean, it's doing good right now. It's 97, 79. The humidity is a little high for right now. It's been going down though. And this is my incubator. And in about 2 days, I'm gonna let this heat just right up there. 2 hours. Wait and get. I'll probably put about 12 eggs, 6 to 12 eggs, and I'll get it progressed up and show you guys all of them. And this is my chicken.